Welcome back. We're still here with Ateneo's Anton Asistio and FEU's Arvin Tolentino and Richard Escoto. During the break, si Arvin kasi gusto niya talaga ikwento yung winning shot niya. Tina-change na nga namin yung topic. Then binabalik pa rin niya doon sa winning shot. I think people also want to know how hard was it to become the UAAP stars that you are. I mean, let's face it, the reason why you guys are here was because many years from now, yung fans ninyo, maalala kayo as UAAP players. Pero, what was the biggest sacrifice that you had to make para tumagal ng all those years in the UAAP, Anton?
For me, siguro is yung social life. Yung friends ko, sinasabi ko sa kanila palagi na parang, syempre, pag high school or college, lalabas ka talaga, di ba? You know, go out with your friends. Pero, siyempre, pag may practice ka the next day or may games ka, hindi ka pwede pumunta. You're gonna miss out talaga.
May curfew ba kayo? Wala naman kayong curfew, di ba?
Wala naman. Pero I mean, parang self-discipline lang, di ba? Kasi siyempre, you want to be in like the best shape para to perform.
So never ka nag-practice like with the hangover or super puyat or...
Hindi.
Ay, maniwala
niya. Di ako ganun.
Ay, maniwala niya. Sige, tatanong ko na ulit mamaya pag commercial ulit. Baka sabihin mo yung totoo. Richard, ikaw, biggest sacrifice that you had to make para maging successful sa FE?
Siguro yung yung sa family. Nag-iwalay. I mean, sige, from province Pampanga. Parang sasacrifice mo yun Parang kailangan mo mag-sacrifice para yung career mo sa UAP and sa darating na mga career.
And it's the same sacrifice that your Kuya Russell had to make also. Ganon din yun. Must have been hard on your family, no? Actually, Pampanga, di naman ganun kalayo, pero you're still not living with him. How hard was that na as a teenager growing up na parang because you love your basketball career so much na willing ka na mahiwalay sa family mo?
Di naman mahirap kasi yung mga teammates mo, nandun na naman lagi sila para sa'yo.
They became your family?
Yes. And then always sila nandyan para sa'yo. Tapos magmamature ka na din. Sobrang tagal mo din sa FEU.
Okay. Ikaw naman, Arvin, what sacrifice did you have to make in your UAP career to become, well, the player that you are?
Yun na, parang same lang din kay Anton, yung social life and yung
ikaw?
time.
Sinacrifice mo ba talaga yung social life mo?
Oo.
Sure ka? Para doon sa IG mo, parang di ka naman nagsasacrifice
Naliitin pa.
Uli.
Yung, kasi, di ba, after mo, di ba, school and then practice, after mo mag-practice, parang pagod ka na, yun, parang marami kang gustong gawin, like hang out sa friends or be with your family. Pero siyempre, isipin mo, bukas may pasok, may practice. So, yun yung mahirap.
Tatanong ko nga kay Kuya Doug kung totoo yung mga sinasabi mo, ha? Okay, siyempre, part of the college life of an athlete is you're part of a team. Sabi nga ni Richard, di ba, parang yan yung nagiging family mo, they become your brothers. Kasi nga, araw-araw mong kasama, parang nasagsasawa na nga kayo because you're together almost 24 hours a day. But I'm sure it's one of those things that you will miss the most. So, ikaw, Anton, what will you miss the most from your team or teammates?
Ako yung mga kulitan lang namin, alam mo yun, before practice or pag out of town. Yung mga team building, ganyan. Kasi parang doon na-form yung bond Tapos para sa akin kasi I think that bond translates on the court. So yun, tapos I don't know if you know, but sila Matt, sila Mike, 3D and Aaron, they were my teammates ever since grade school. So tagal na namin magkakasama and parang now all of that, so hindi na, I don't know, sana magsama pa kami sa PBA pero we'll see.
Ano ba kagaling ang Ateneo? Yung Ateneo na pang-PBA na.
Sana.
Ganun na ba kayo kagaling? Hindi lang pang-Jones Cup Pang-PBA na, pang-PBA. Parang Ateneo Tokay text na yun. Sila na ng PBA. Richard, what will you miss the most from your FEU teammates?
Yung mga kulitan ng mga teammates. Especially yung sila Bienes, si Arvin, sila Hubert, Comboy. Maganda lang doon. Walang napipikon. And then, yung yun nga sabi ni Anton, yung bonding ng team, lalong tumitibay time na yun.
Do you already miss them? Kasi, siyempre, officially, wala na kayo sa team eh. Nai-miss yun na
Yes.
ngayon pa lang. Ikaw, Arvin, what will you miss the most? Ikaw ba may miss ka nila?
Sana.
Hindi ka ba sure eh? So what will you miss the most from your FEU teammates?
Yun na, same lang kami ni Richard, ni Andon, yung kulitan, yung bonding, yun na. Yung sabay-sabay kayong nahihirapan, minsan magkakapikon, uy, ayusin mo naman, yung mga ganun.
Pag suicide na yung isa na huli, bilisan
Pagpagod
mo!
ka na, mahuhuli ka, uy, bilisan mo,
Tatakbo
mahuli
tayo
ka
lahat
na, mga ganun. Pero yeah, at the end of the day, syempre, magkakapatid kami. So, all good.
All good, all good. Although, syempre, sa lahat ng pamilya, there's probably that one guy na baka hindi nyo may-miss for a variety of reasons. Ito, ano lang to ha, katuwa lang. The one teammate na hindi mo may-miss for whatever reason. Sino yun, Anton?
Ako? Sino ba?
Yung buti na lang din na tayo teammates. Either kasi sobrang kulit or sobrang gulo or
Wala akong maisip eh.
perfect tong Ateneo. Alam, masyadong perfect eh. Kaya ang hirap talunin. Richard, ikaw?
Wala din sa akin.
Wala rin?
Wala.
Ay,
Para si Arvin, dami gusto sabihin eh.
more than one. Pwede ba more than one?
One teammate na para, ay salamat, di na tayo magkakampi, pero mahal kita. Pero mabuti di na tayo magkasama.
Sino?
May gusto ka sabihin mo na.
Ano. Pero siguro si Hubert na lang. Kasi lagi naman ako mag-isama. Lagi na ako
Bakit si
mag-isama.
Hubert ka? Sila wala sinabi. Ikaw sinabi. Si Hubert.
Hindi na nagsawa na rin kayo sa mukha ni Hubert eh. Kasi lagi kayo mag-asama. Hindi magkabarkada kasi kami ni Hubert. Like, close kami. So lagi kami mag-asama na.
Ano lang yan?
CJ.
All good, all love. All good, all love.
Medyo half-mint. Half-mint yung...
Hindi, tingin ko may hugot yun. Tingin ko totoo yun. And totoo na, on behalf of the score, we'd like to congratulate the three of you for fantastic careers. You guys will always be remembered by your fans, and thank you for sharing all your memories. Anton Asistio, Richard Escoto, and Arvin Lavawok Tolentino. Thank you guys. Still ahead, we'll talk with the former Letran Knight and now Meralco Bolt rookie Bong Quito. So, stay with us.